I've been so worried about tomorrow. I forgot to think about today. And it seems I'm always going to all this trouble just so I can tell myself it's okay. 'Cause I ain't right, I've been wrong, I ain't perfect, no one else is. So I stay searching for the reason I've been putting all this work in. And is it working? Is it worth it?
Sure, I made a couple dollars last week, yeah. I got a couple hollers in the street, sweet. But for me, this whole thing's a little shaky, 'cause a lot of people love me, but some others fucking hate me. Shit is crazy, feeling wavy, kissing babies, fucking ladies, stations play me. But will any of these labels ever take me? Maybe. So is it really worth it? 'Cause I'd be lying if I told you everything was